What is going on, you guys? Nick here with another video. I know I've been gone for a little while, but this is part one of getting back into things, so thanks for checking this out. This is actually going to be a very quick video today, as it's really just a smaller part of another one of my videos, but I imagine there's a lot of people who have this question, so I figured I would put out this video as a separate thing so you don't have to watch my entire other video just to see this one. So, we'll jump right into it here. As you can see, I have Belina Etcher pulled up on my machine. I just finished burning an SD card with a Raspberry Pi OS Lite image, and I'll show you, or you'll learn more about what that's about in my next video. But in this video, as you probably could discern from the title, I am simply going to show you how to gain SSH access to a Raspberry Pi device without ever having to connect a keyboard and mouse to that device. It's very simple. All you have to do is pre-burn your SD card using a tool like Belina Etcher. Next thing you need to do is go into your File Explorer. Same would be true on Windows, but I'm just using Manjaro Linux here. And what you would do is you go into the boot partition of the SD card that you just made. You right-click, create new text file, name it SSH, make sure that you get rid of the file extension so that it just shows as a file here instead of a ssh.txt. You really just need it to say SSH, and then the very next thing you do is just simply unmount these devices safely, remove, and that's it. You have successfully gained access to SSH, and I'll show you how that works in just a quick second. Alright, that took a second, unfortunately. I had to assemble my Pi Zero and then find it on the network. Finding it on the network is actually a really easy thing to do. You can use a tool like Angry IP Scanner or Advanced IP Scanner if you're on Windows, or you can go into your router and find it by MAC address, or just look for the device that isn't the one that you commonly use. So now I'm going to open up a terminal. On Windows, you can do this. If you have Windows 10, you can do this through going into CMD and then just typing SSH followed by the IP address that you've discovered. On Linux, it also has a native SSH client built in. Actually, I think it always did, because SSH is kind of a Linux thing. So what I'm going to do is SSH and then the IP address of that device. And then, let's see, what's this? Oh, that's right. It doesn't like the key that I have. So bear with me one moment. I'll have to clear the SSH key for that IP address. Okay, back again. Known keys cleared. Let's try SSH again. Okay, yes, we want to trust the authenticity. And nope, it's trying to use my username, so let's Control C out of that. Let's do SSH Pi at that IP address, and then password is Raspberry, as it is on every Raspberry Pi. And so now you can see we are SSH'd into Pi at Raspberry Pi. And I never had to connect a keyboard or mouse. And now we can do all the things that we could on the Pi. You can see there, host name, exit, then as you can see, my XPS 8940 is what I'm on right now. And so that's pretty much it. Look out for another video from me in the next couple days. I'm going to show you guys how to do something pretty cool with one of these little Raspberry Pi Zeros. If you are wanting to follow along with this project, you can check the links in the description, and you'll find, Amazon links to some kits for Raspberry Pi Zeros, as well as for other Raspberry Pis, as well as different hardware that you can get when you get these devices. These are affiliate links, so I will earn something if you do click on them. That's my little disclaimer there. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.